It is a pleasure to be with you this evening to discuss a vision close to my heart and one coming closer and closer to becoming a reality, the Cyrus Accords. The name Cyrus reminds us of a deeper truth, that the relationship between the Iranian and the Jewish peoples is not a matter of modern diplomacy or fleeting politics. It is rooted in history and one that is ancient, proud, and unique. Over 2,500 years ago, it was Cyrus the Great, the Iranian king, who freed the Jewish people from captivity and allowed them to return to their homeland and rebuild their temple. That was not just an act of tolerance. It was an affirmation of religious freedom and human dignity. It set the standard for what just leadership should be like. And it defined the values of the Iranian nation, built not on conquest, but on coexistence.